So we are here doing our room. We're going to put new flooring. We're taking out all this old carpet. We're going to drive some screws in to all the areas that have crinks. And we're going to lay the new life-proof flooring that we have here throughout here. We're going to redo our restroom with the life-proof new vanity. Keep the toilet. Just painting the walls. We're going to close that out, put some 2-inch recess and one above the shower up there. So yeah, this will be almost done, and we'll do a little bit of electrical. We're finally gonna do this. We're gonna do carpet, but it's more expensive for some reason, and we just thought the laminate flooring would be actually pretty nice, and it's gonna be cleaner. So this is the old carpet. I don't know what the heck that is. Looks like blood or something.
Looks like blood, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. It looks like blood for sure.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
I hope nobody died in here because, you know, I don't know.
That's